In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Binance. Open your Binance, right? You people should be very careful, right? So as you will not lose out on your funds, right? When it comes to transacting cryptocurrency, you need to be very careful, right? So click on this asset. From here, you're going to be able to see. Click on this spot. You're going to be able to see the full display of every crypto asset here, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your USDC BIP20 address, right? So click on it. If the person tells you to send your USDT or USDC address, ask the person what is the network, right? Network is one key important thing that enables you to transact well enough, right? So if I click on deposit now, you're going to see each cryptocurrency has its own network, right? So like you can't just send USDC like that. It must be under a network pay, right? They have the BNB, they have the Ethereum, they have the Solana. So ask the person, what network are you sending me, right? What network are you going to send? So it still applies to the normal USDT, right? So if you go to your USDT, like every cryptocurrency has its own, even Solana. If I click on Solana right now, if I click on deposit, you can see there are two networks here, right? BIP20 and the Solana. So this applies to every cryptocurrency. If someone tells you to send him your wallet address, ask the person what is the network. If I click on, let me say Notcoin, right? If I click on it, deposit, you see this is its own network, right? So every crypto has its network. So you need to be very careful when it comes to transacting with this. If you type in BNB, right, you can add BNB, right? So just ask the person what is the network, right? So this is basically how you can find your wallet address. Just enter any crypto you want to enter, right? You're going to see deposits on each option. Click on deposits. You're going to be asked the network. Then once you click on it, your wallet address is going to come up, right? You can copy it and send to the person. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.